Hello there, a very good afternoon to all the viewers. I am Yatin Mota and you are watching this broadcast live on Moneycontrol, and we will talk about the midday market mood check. Obviously, if you look at the markets, they have been quite volatile in the past few trading sessions. Today also it's not that easy for the markets. In fact, we were at one point in time around the 19,700 mark on the Nifty, and right now we are at close to 19,650. So we are almost 40-50 points down from the day's high. As far as Sensex is concerned, we are looking at a 100-point cut. Nifty Bank also struggling in trade, and the mid cap index is almost flat. So it's a muted trading session. Volumes have also not been that great in the market, and if you look at the advance decline ratio also, it's almost 1:1. Obviously, after the SEBI circular and the NSE BSE action, we have seen SME indices crash in trade, almost 3% down for the SME IPO index. So some profit taking after the ASM and T2T steps which have been taken by the stock exchanges to curb the speculation in the SME market. So overall, the market is muted. In terms of sectors, auto, real estate and metals are the ones which are on the gaining side, and on the losing side, IT, media as well as PSU banking stocks are witnessing a cut of anywhere between 0.5% to 1%. Now let's talk about the Nifty 50 stock, wherein Eicher Motors is the top gainer, almost 3.5% up for that stock, and we have Jefferies which has increased the target price, and they believe that the kind of competition Eicher was expected to see is not the case, and probably Royal Enfield says are good, and moving ahead they could see a good bump up in overall margins and profitability, and hence after the Jefferies target price increase, we have seen the Eicher Motors stock doing well in trade. So is the case with stocks like Bajaj Auto, 1.5% higher, Tata Steel 1.5% higher after Moody is upgraded the credit rating. We also have Nestle and Hero MotoCorp doing well in trade. On the losing side, we have a few IT stocks like Infosys and Tech Mahindra, IndusInd Bank, Asian Paints and Kotak Bank also losing by almost 1.5% in trade. So in general, private sector banks are slightly struggling in trade. Now if you look at the active end of the market, Reliance Industries and HDFC Bank have seen some good volumes today. HDFC Bank trading by up by nearly 0.3%, turnover nearly 1,000 crores. Reliance Industries also witnessing some bit of volume activity along with Eicher Motors. Now stocks which are at 52-week highs in the Nifty 50 include Coal India as well as Tata Consumer. Let's shift focus to the mid cap end of the market, wherein we have seen stocks like Kochi Shipyard gain nearly 8%. Uflex, Deepak Fertilizer and Apar Industries are also the other stocks which are gaining anywhere between 4 to 5%. On the losing side, Triveni Infra, GR Infra, India Bull Real Estate, Network 18, these are the stocks which are losing on the Nifty 500. But if you look at the small cap end of the market, we have BSE which is gained smartly after picking up the volumes in the option markets. BSE stock is up 5%. Kalyan Jewellers, after yesterday's correction, has managed to bounce back. That stock is up 5%. However, some profit taking is seen in sugar stocks. So we have Triveni, Balrampur Chini, Renuka Sugar. All of these stocks are losing anywhere between 1.5% to 3.5%. So some profit taking is what we are witnessing in the sugar end of the market. Now if you look at MCX, that stock has hit a fresh 52-week high in trade today. We also have stocks like Apar Industries, Varun Beverages, JSW Energy, LIC Housing Finance, Trent, Tata Investment, Tata Consumer gain in trade and also hit a fresh 52-week high. Obviously the market activity, as I was mentioning earlier, is slightly muted today. Volumes are also low, so probably we'll look for some positive cues in the second half of the market to recover. Obviously the global markets are also not supporting at this point in time, and probably because of which the market has turned slightly sideways. So watch for the second half of today's trading session. Probably we could see some action on the either sides of the market, but right now the markets are as flat as they can be, and probably by the closing bell we could see the market swing in action. That's all from my side on this midday market mood check. Join me again at 3:30 with the closing bell, wherein we get you the stocks to focus on and what happened in the stock markets today. Stay tuned to Money Control and do watch our coverage at 3:30 p.m. today. Thank you so much.